Hello and welcome on my channel. In this tutorial I will show you everything you need to know to glue and paint a plastic tank to a satisfactory level. You will learn how to read instruction, what tools and paints you need and how to use them. Also I will show you how to connect parts and avoid basic mistakes. Here are examples of my projects. With my tutorial and a bit of your patience, you should be able to achieve similar result. If my video will help you in your first steps, please like and subscribe. So let's start. First thing you need to do is to choose and buy a model. For this project I use German King Tiger 2 in 1:35 scale from Tamiya. I highly recommend to buy first model from Tamiya company because the price, simplicity and quality of their models are very friendly for beginners. If you choose to build a tank or other grand vehicle, I recommend to choose 1:35 scale because the selection of available models is large and the techniques I will use don't have to work with models in other scales. When we have our tank, let's see what's inside. We have a plastic parts, a rubber tracks, non-plastic parts, decals and instruction. As you can see, there are no tools, paints or even glue in the box. That's because you need to buy them separately. In the second part I will show you how to read instruction and prepare parts for assembly.